are you doing here?
I came to see my brother.
You are not allowed here.
I'm harmless. Huh? Easy. Menekera. Despite the situation, we are still brothers. Nah. Oh? Pico.
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Oh? Pico. Dalo. Oh? Come. Hey, how come what happened? Look at you. Why did Kenna do this to you? Why would Kenna do this to you? God. Gods of our land. Kenna is busy mobilizing warriors. He's training them non-stop. Aka, please, if this war starts, I fear our future. Please. Akapiko, I don't want this war to happen. We will lose a lot of life. Pico. I fear the future. Please. Pico.
There isn't much I can do from here. I am helpless. If this is how the gods of our land will allow me to perish, then so be it.
What are you doing? And why is your face like that? I have to go see the friend Mama. Her father locked her up and kept a warrior to keep guard over her. I'm aware of that. Everybody in this community is aware of that. And you are going there to go and save her? Why? As what? Who? She's fighting with just cause. I have to save her. And you think you're in the right position to go and save her? Let me advise you, my friend. You better don't go there. Go back home. It's none of your business. You know her father in Okiki. If he catches you, he's going to cut off your head. So you better don't go there. Okay, calm your spirits. I have to save her. Choma! Choma! Choma, come back! Hey, this girl wants to die. This girl wants to die for no reason. I'm leaving.
Stop there! Where are you going to?
My warrior. Agunkem. My one and only. The greatest and bravest lion in Umunoluki.
Okay, what do I owe these praises?
Have you not heard of the saying that we give praises to whom praises is due? And you, Ago, you deserve so much more.
I'm honored.
You know what? I used to hear of your praises when I was little. But none compares to the man that is standing before me.
Thank you, Chioma. How are you?
How the mama. And I even had the liberty of making you lunch.
You made me food?
Yes! And that's not all. I will feed you and then we'll do other things.
In that case, I'm very, very hungry. Come.
Okay.
Come, let's see.
I know what you want. Wash your hands.
I need to.
Yes, now.
Hey.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I washed your hands back, okay?
This is it.
You like it?
Like, I love it.
Oh.
In fact, this is the best I've taken so far.
Oh.
Come join me, come, Ucha.
I prepared it especially for you. And yes, now, I want you to have strength without other people.
In fact, feed me. Feed me.
Ew. You like it?
It's good.
No.
I brought something for us to cool off. Oh yeah, take. Oh yeah, no, take now.
I am not to take anything from anyone.
I'm not anyone. I'm your brother. We are brothers, right?
The king instructed me to look after the prisoners carefully.
Of course, you need to look after the prisoner carefully. And the king did well to tell you that. But you need to drink K. Ana alachaka wejidaka. Yota. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, no.
Leave here now and never return again. This is your last warning. I will not say this again.
Why yo? It's a fresh pan wine, no? Wait. You go to there. Sorry.
you doing here? There's no time. Let's go. Don't worry, I'm taking care of him. Let's go, let's go.
Where are you going to?
You're a very strong man. And I admire you.
Who am I to grace your existence and thoughts?
You see, you're a very hard-working man. Watching over that traitor. He deserves to be punished.
Thank you. Thank you for noticing my hard work in this kingdom.
You are such a very strong man.
I'll do anything for my people.
I see. Would you like to taste my wine? It was freshly tapped today by my father.
If you're offering your wine, then I must drink. Is it finished?
More. Oh, that's the last one. It's finished.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred. Baby, because of unforgiveness, because of anger inside us. When will this war come to an end? 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold hands of death. We can't continue fighting every day. me and you. Maybe room, maybe room, maybe room, maybe room, maybe room. Monagi, maybe Rwanda. Oh, me spoil the world because of unforgiveness. Baby, because of anger. I need to remember you.
You covered the bruises. Hey, I'm so sorry. Sorry.
I hope you weren't hot.
I was more worried about you. I'm so sorry for everything you have been through. I'm sorry.
I thought I would lose you.
She will never lose me. I belong to you forever. I'm so sorry.
We should keep moving, okay? Yeah, here is not safe. Okay?
Where's my daughter?
She's in the hut.
Which hut? Which of the huts? Norma is gone. Go and get Norma wherever she has gone to.
I swear she was in the hut.
If I look for my daughter and I did not see her, I am going to destroy you. No matter who or wherever you come from, I will destroy you. Go to anywhere you want. Go wherever. Go as. Get my daughter. Go outside and get my daughter. Nonsense. Go move. Animal. Sleeping dog. Who knows what he has eaten? Hi! Where's my daughter Norma? Where is she? Where is she? Hi! Hey!
Bobby! What is going on? I'm asking you what is going on here.
No. Why is the weather like this?
You are very stupid. You're stupid! What on earth will make a guard like you fall asleep? Me? Sleep? A guard doesn't sleep. A warrior does not sleep. So tell me, what were you doing? I was resting. I'm not going to do anything to you, but I promise you, the king must hear this. The worst has happened.
What is it this time? Has Akachuku been found?
Ichie, Akachuku did not escape. I gathered that the warriors of Omonolo kidnapped Akachuku.
What?
Ichie, their plan is to kill him, invade this land and take us unawares.
Hey! In that case, gather all our warriors together. Conscript new ones if necessary. But today, we march on Umunolu. Today, let history record it that we, the gallant, valiant, and brave men of Umunna Okigwe, that today we shall put a final full stop to this foolishness. Go and gather them.
I agree with you, Che. We will tell Umunna na kamulu dike namba.
Go! Mbanono. I will ready myself also.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred. Because of comfort, Mama love again, come boggy obimo. Mama love again, come boggy love mo. Macaron gina love mo. Ibu obimo, you are mine. I won't let you go. You are my breath, love me. You are my strength. People love more, love more. Though the war linger for too long, but
Iyuku River is a river at the boundary of Umunna Olo and the Umunna Okigwe, which has a sacred lifeline. The water is blessed by the gods with the powers of healing, prosperity, and fertility, but it can only be accessed through peace and unity.
Love again, come boggy obimo. Mama love again, come boggy love mo. Forgiveness, baby, because of anger inside us. When will this war come to an end? 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold hands of death. We can't continue fighting every day.
You broke into my kingdom and kidnapped my daughter.
I will make sure this ends your road. Okay, is here. If there is anyone who will join their ancestors today it is you and your miserable looking warriors.
Mom!
How dare you come into Omona Okigwe to kidnap our son? Una Buziara! Eh? Eh?
We shall
Attack!
Enough! Hey! Enough! Leave yourselves! Enough! Pull up your shield! Enough! Come. We mean no harm. Please. Norman and I, we found each other.
Our hearts chose each other, without a regard for any clan or kingdom. No one kidnapped anyone.
What sorcery is this? How can this be, Agajuku?
What is happening? Eh?
Are you all not tired of bloodshed? Aren't you all tired of killing one another? For how long shall we continue killing each other? Our fathers, mothers, children, siblings die every day. Are you not tired? Are you not tired? I beg you all, drop your weapons and embrace peace. For it's only unity that can bring everlasting peace, progress. And I can prove to each and every one of you here that peace is paramount if you all follow me to the river.
Never! Betrayal is expected. We cannot trust the Monokigwes. You all are liars!
Shut up, you coward!
Father, I beg you in the name of the gods, if you do not trust him, then you have to trust me. I am your child. Please, choose me this once, Father. I beg you.
Vamos! Hey! And now get him!
Ikenna!
Hey! Ikenna! Are you not tired? Are you not tired?
How can I be tired?
Do you know what I have lost? They killed my father! They killed my mother!
And they separated me from my twin brother. I have not killed enough people. One more step, I'll end his life.
As long as we are breathing, there will be no peace until our family is avenged.
Enough! Enough! You have been deceived, fueled with hatred and a taste for revenge. But the truth is, you all have been manipulated by external force, triggered into going to war for years. This force have exploited your differences, filling the frame of hatred and violence. But I shall reveal the truth. The river power is not a curse, but a gift. A gift that can bring prosperity and peace to both villages, if you work together. Otherwise, eyes have not seen what is to come. Heed my words.
Hey! That is Ezina! Ezina, my sister! My sister! My sister!
Chief, okay.
Ah!
Go to the river still, eh? Oh, be a man. Be a man.
Our fathers and my brothers, we have all seen that the only way to end this chaos and suffering,
Yes.
our land is blessed by the gods, and no village has the right to claim any property to herself. No! For true unity, and our river will flow and bring blessings. Let us end this madness once and for all.
Bridle your tongue, Akachukwu. What exactly are you trying to tell us? Eh? What came on here?
My people, we must sign peace treaty. For true unity, we can achieve this goal. But before then, we must dismantle this fishing net as a symbol of unity. Yes, symbol of unity. Shield your sword. I beg you, my fathers and my brothers. Put it back.
Agonia.
Ikenna! What are you doing here?
I've come in peace, my brother.
Peace? Do you believe in the word peace? I thought it was just an illusion for you.
You don't have to blame your brother.
You are not my brother. You are my enemy.
Akachukwu, I am your brother and I've said I'm sorry. Besides, I had no other option than to do what I did. Is that bad that I lost everything? It was even worse to know that you were betrayed by your own people.
Nobody betrayed nobody. This is what war brings. Women and children are always the victims of war. It brings nothing good. Children running helter-skelter. Women are taken for captives. No one come out alive. We end up losing everything.
Akachukwu, like I said, I am sorry. Just forgive me. I wish I've not lost my brother and you.
This is going to be very, very hard for me because I don't trust you. You have been two-sided all this while. And I think I need time to think about this.
I understand. But please, I'm sorry. I'm still your brother.
Ichio Boefi, I came here to say thank you. Thank you for your assistance and also standing between the two kingdoms. You are a huge part of this peace talk. Thank you.
Akachukwu, my son, I am only doing what is right. But I must tell you that forgiveness is a crucial part of the journey. You must forgive Ikenna. Forgive him. Let out your anger and let it go. Please. Look, let me tell you, my son. Unforgiveness is poison that breeds hatred. And hatred develops into war. Let out the anger. Let it go.
There is no peace without forgiveness. Do you understand me? A peace on its own is not just the absence of war, but the presence of love, compassion, and understanding. Let the past belong to the past. Embrace the future. Oh, my son. Eh? Try to understand.
Ah, my love.
Obi.
We are victorious. We brought peace to our community.
Yes, Obi. We did it. And thanks to the gods.
Yes, thanks to the gods for our land. And I have decided to come see your parents so I can declare my intentions to get married to you.
Not now, Obi. Listen, we have to take things easy. Okay? Although the both villages have agreed to live in peace and harmony, but we still need to calm down. We are still healing from this war. Families are starting to reunite. Same with friends. We need to take this easy. Please.
I understand, Obi. I just want to be with you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Of course, my love. We will be together forever. And I cannot wait to finally be with you as your wife.
I love you.
And I love you too.
Yeah. Yeah. Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwezonu.
Yeah.
I must tell you, today is one of my happiest days in life. Thank you for accepting to embrace peace. I now know that you all know the importance of peace. And that was why you accepted. You see that net? That net. That has been a debacle. That has created unnecessary disunity amongst us. We are going to remove it now.
Yes.
My warriors. Ichokori. Yeah? Hey, how is everything?
Yeah. The gods have been good to us.
Good. Chief Okori, I have realized that our differences were fueled
by our misunderstandings and misinformation.
Our enemies have thrown spanners into our wheels of progress. It is very clear because I can now see the errors in our ways. We were simply blinded by ambition and pride.
Chief Okorie, we must continue to lead with wisdom and peace. And plead with our kings that we are capable of controlling our people by working out our differences. For the betterment of our own people.
Yes, I couldn't agree more. It is time for us to resolve this matter. It is time for us to seek a brighter future for our people.
Oh.
Yes, we must lead them aright this time. And Kemalakwa, so that I'm very clear. It is time for us to use our wealth of wisdom and experience, utilizing it properly so we can guide our people on the path of peace and prosperity.
I am willing to just do what you have just said right away.
Ah! It's okay. Are you going this way?
I'm going that way.
Hey,
So
we can work
together.
together as brothers.
Akachuku.
Oh.
I have come to ask for your forgiveness and also to seek for your permission for me to marry your daughter. I promise I am going to take good care of her and also provide for her for the rest of her life.
Akachuku, my son, stand on your feet. Get up, my son. You see, you have proven to be worthy and honorable man. Yes, thank you. You see, and you have shown bravery, wisdom, and compassion. You brought peace to this community, to my people. You have my permission to marry my daughter. You have my blessings.
Thank you.
You can now come to my place with your people.
Nama.
Okay. Choma, I will see you later.
Okay.
Be careful. Come back early.
I will.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Don't worry, my queen. In 3 market days, I will be coming to take you home.
Home? What do you mean by that? I do not understand.
My queen, just wait for me. I will be coming. I love you so much, Nama.
Bamu love gi kambogi obimo. Bamu love gi kambogi love mo. Maka horongi na love mo. Ibu obimo. You are mine. I won't let you go. You are my breath. Love. You are my strength. People love more.
Akadike!
I was on my way coming to your hut.
No. Kidikime.
I am fine. How are you? Good. Obi,
I just want to thank you for being a good friend to me. A very good one. You stood by me through thick and thin. Through difficulties. You showed your loyalty to your friend. I am happy. Thank you.
Aka, I'm glad that I could be there for you. Dalo. Aka, without you, there will be no peace. Yes. And I'm glad I'm part of the history.
Thank you.
Akodogu.
Obi.
Nadia. Biko. I know you must have a misunderstanding with Ikenna.
No.
Aka Biko.
Don't bring Ikenna's conversation to what we are saying right now.
Aka.
He is a betrayal. An enemy.
Akajuku. I know. But he's a brother. I know he must faulted you. He has betrayed you. Please. Mba. Please forgive him.
Hi.
Biko. Let peace reign. We need each other. Biko. Let's live in peace and harmony. The way we used to be. Aka.
Oh.
Aka. Biko.
I shall think about it.
Biko.
But in the meantime, I came to your hut. Find me something to drink.
Kaiba.
Chuma, there is something I want to talk to you about.
What is it?
Takachuku. He said he'll be coming to take me home. I do not understand what that means because this is my home.
What does he mean by that?
I don't know. I've been trying to figure it out. He just said he will come in 3 market days to take me home.
3 market days?
That's what he said.
Hey! Noma! Are you a baby?
What do you mean?
If he says he's coming to take you home 3 market days, I believe he means that he's coming to ask for your hand in marriage.
John, you know that is not possible. Considering what we are going through, don't you know?
I know. Maybe he has even spoken to your father. Or he has even asked for your hand in marriage already.
Chuma, could that be true?
It is true.
My goodness. Finally, I am going to marry the love of my life.
Yes, I'm so happy. Yes, Noma, and you deserve all the happiness this world could give. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much, my friend. I can't believe this. I am so happy.
And I will stand by you on that day.
Of course! Chuma, I am so happy. No, me too. My goodness, I cannot believe this.
It's your boyfriend.
My son.
I have come to seek for your blessings. I have decided to marry Norma. And me being here is to ask for your approval. Of course, you know that I will not do this one without getting your approval and guidance.
My son, it is good you came. I am happy. Your union with Norma is not just marriage between 2 individuals. No. But a huge symbol of unity between Omonolo and Omonokikwe. That your marriage is a beacon of hope for our people. Yes, it's a beacon of hope for our people. and a reminder that we all can live together despite our differences. And so I bless your marriage, that your marriage will be filled with love, joy, prosperity, and children.
My brother, I wasn't expecting you. I hope all is well.
Ikenna, I am not pleased with what you did. Your betrayal cuts deeper than any wound. But I have decided to forgive and forget. I am here to ask you just one question. If you are not too busy, can you accompany me to get and bring home my bride?
Akachuku, it is an honor. And I want to thank you for your forgiveness. Brothers, we are. And I shall accompany you to take your wife home.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for forgiving me. Thank you very much.
What do you have in your heart?
I'm happy. I remember when you were crying. Coffee. The land is now peaceful. Peace everywhere. And we can now walk freely. Yes, so my finally. Yes, so my sister. Hey, the gods be praised. May the gods be praised, my dear. Let me help you. Why not? Who would have thought? There is peace, my sister. I'm happy. See the way you're fetching water now. I can't believe that we one day come to this Yuku River freely to fetch water. My sister, I'm so happy. Despite I lost my people in this battle. So it's true. Well, there is peace now. Oh, there is peace, my sister. We cannot fetch water peacefully. Come, Choma, carry your pot. No, come. Your pot is heavy, Choma. I'll bring it now. Come on, help. Help you again. You know I'm soft. I'm not a strong person. So I'm a strong person. You are a strong person, yeah. Choma, you're deceiving me. Be fast. Hey! Be fast. You can see I'm very stronger than you.
Mamano.
Yeah.
Mamano.
Yeah.
Umunolo mamano.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwesonu.
Yeah.
I am very happy today. The storm is over. The turbulence was so much as if the two communities will end up killing themselves. But today the storm is over. I'm happy. Iyuku has always wanted peace. And the peace we've gotten today. See? Based on the instruction of the great Iyuku. Iyuku said we should seek peace. And peace we've sought today.
He said,
Iyuku has always wanted us to do the ritual of Emumbe Riko. And that is what we are doing today.
eating together.
We are eating together today. Because we have always been fighting each other. Today, it will not be like that again. Nobody can moon.
Yeah.
This is a symbol of peace. The great Yuku. We are promising you today that we will not renege from this agreement.
He say...
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Iyoku, God of peace. The great river, the goddess of peace. Peace shall remain forever in our communities.
He say...
Yeah.
Yeah. Iyoku, Udo. Iyoku, Udo. Iyoku. Cha. Okay, Mamman.
Yeah.
Mamman.
The celebration should begin.
You have spoken well. But there is something very important that my kith and kin from Omona Okigwe has asked me to also ask us at this very occasion. It will be very beautiful if you, Ogbuefi, you will come with us in the next 4 market days when Omona Okigwe will lead our son Akachuku to discover that Odara, that beautiful Odara in Chief Okeke's household, so we can pluck it and take it back to Okigwe. I hope, Chief Okeke, I hope we'll be welcome.
Did you hear him? Thank you very much, Chief Okoria. That reminds me, let me seize this great and ample opportunity to tell all of us that I know in no distant time, the Omuno Okigwe people will be coming to Omunolo, to my family, to do the formality of the marriage between Akachuku and Norma.
Because of unforgiveness, because of anger, I just love you.
Neoma. From the moment I set my eyes on you, I have always known that you are mine. I have waited this long, and now you are here. I can't even believe that we are doing this. Look at you. You are looking so beautiful, like in morning stars. You see the birds singing and praising you. I adore and cherish you for the days of my life. I want to sleep seeing your face while you lie on my arms. And I want to wake up and always see your face. I want to make you mine forever. I want to lie on your arms knowing that I am protected by your love.
There is a niche in my heart
that only you occupy.
And no other maiden, allow me, no other maiden in this land.
I'm glad to be with you.
I love you.
And I love you too.
Mama love